In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create headers and footers using Elementor, no code. We'll start inside your WordPress dashboard, head to Plugins, then Add New. In the search bar, type Elementor Header and Footer Builder. You're looking for the plugin by Brainstorm Force. Once you find it, click Install Now, and when the button changes, click Activate. This adds a simple, no-code way to design global headers and footers that work with Elementor. After activation, look in your WordPress sidebar for UAE add-ins, then open Header Footer Builder. This is where all of your header and footer templates live. Click the Add New button to create your first one. Give your template a clear descriptive title so you can recognize it later. Something like main header or global footer works well, especially if you plan to create variations for different sections of your site. Next, choose the type of template. Set it to header if you're building the top navigation area, or footer if you're designing the bottom section of your pages. Right below that, set the display rules. Select entire website to make this template appear everywhere, or target specific pages, posts, or categories if you want a unique header or footer for particular areas. This is handy for creating a minimal landing page header or a special footer for your blog. Click Publish to save those settings. Now click Edit with Elementor to open the Visual Builder. This launches the familiar drag and drop interface where you'll actually design the layout. Use Elementor's widgets to build your structure. For a header, a common approach is a 3-column row, a site logo on the left, a nav menu in the center, and a button or search on the right. Adjust alignment so the navigation sits neatly and feels balanced. For a footer, you might add multiple columns for links, a short about section, contact details, and social icons. Use spacers and padding to create breathing room and set background colors and typography to match your brand. Remember, you can add global colors and fonts in Elementor to keep everything consistent. As you design, keep responsiveness in mind. Elementor's responsive controls let you tweak spacing and font sizes for tablet and mobile, so your header and footer look great on every device. When you're happy with the layout and styling, click Update. Your new header or footer will be live wherever you set it to display, giving your site a cohesive, professional look without writing a single line of code. That's it. Install, create, design, and update. You now have full control over your site's header and footer using Elementor.